Hey, this is Ron Price with Yukon Learning, and I want to do a quick demo on how to take a picture and convert it to a silhouette. This may come in handy for some of you, especially if you have a limited library and you don't want the same pictures to keep showing up in all of your courses, or if you need to do something with more of a global emphasis and maybe your graphics look awful American and you want to try to create something that is doesn't quite have that look, and you can see a silhouette. You can get away with a little bit more of a generic look here, and using silhouettes allows you some flexibility there, and people don't see the same people all the time in your courses. So it's quite simple actually. This is a sample of a scenario where we're using these little characters, and I want to make this guy here a silhouette. It obviously works best with a type of a graphic that has the background taken out of it. For example, this is a PNG, and it'll work just fine. So if I right click it and just go to Format Picture, it's a pretty simple process. Just go over here to the Brightness tab and drag that to negative 100%. And now I have a silhouette, and I can use this in a variety of courses without looking like I'm using the same characters in all of my courses. So I hope that helps. If you need to turn a picture into a silhouette, that's a quick and easy way of doing it.